AI versus humans, the ultimate battle for supremacy. Today, we explore the fascinating and potentially terrifying world of artificial intelligence. Join us as we take a deep dive into the raging debate of AI versus humans. It's a topic that has been around for decades, and with recent advancements in AI technology, it's more relevant than ever before. But before we get into the battle for supremacy, it's important to understand the history of AI and how it's evolved over time. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for centuries. In fact, ancient Greek mythology has stories of mechanical men and artificial beings that were created by the gods, but it wasn't until the mid-20th century that AI technology began to take shape. In 1956, a group of researchers at Dartmouth College organized a workshop to discuss the possibility of creating machines that could think like humans. This event is now known as the Dartmouth Conference and is considered the birthplace of AI. Over the years, AI technology has evolved from simple programs that performed basic tasks like arithmetic and logical operations to more complex systems that could understand language and learn from experience. One of the key milestones in the history of AI was the development of expert systems in the 1970s and 80s. These were computer programs that could simulate the decision-making processes of human experts in a particular field. They were used in a variety of applications, from medical diagnosis to financial planning. The 1990s saw the rise of machine learning, which is a subfield of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn from data and improve their performance over time. This led to the development of neural networks, which are computer systems that can recognize patterns and make predictions based on them. In recent years, AI technology has advanced very rapidly thanks to the availability of big data and the increasing power of computer hardware. Today, AI is used in a wide range of applications, from natural language processing and image recognition to self-driving cars and personalized recommendation systems. So, what does the future of artificial intelligence look like? As AI technology continues to advance, many experts predict that it will have a profound impact on our society and the way we live our lives. Some even believe that AI could eventually surpass human intelligence and become the dominant force on the planet. However, there are also many concerns about the potential risks of AI, such as job displacement, privacy violations, and even existential threats to humanity. To address these concerns, some experts have called for the development of ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to ensure that AI is used responsibly and safely. So, with all of this in mind, what does the future hold for the battle between AI and humans? On one hand, AI technology is already outperforming humans in many areas. For example, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans would never be able to spot. They can also perform complex calculations and make informed decisions with incredible speed and accuracy. In other areas, however, humans still excel. For example, humans are much better at creative thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making that takes into account ethical and moral considerations. But as AI technology continues to evolve, it's likely that it will become even more powerful and sophisticated. Some experts predict that AI will eventually be able to match or even surpass human performance in almost every area. So, what does this mean for the future of our society? One possibility is that AI could help us solve some of the biggest challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, disease, and poverty. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and develop new insights, AI could help us find new solutions to these problems and make our world a better place. On the other hand, there are also many concerns about the potential risks of AI. Some experts worry that AI could lead to widespread job displacement, as machines take over many of the tasks that humans currently perform. Others worry about the potential for AI systems to be biased or make decisions that violate human values and ethics. There are also concerns about the potential for AI to be used as a weapon. Autonomous weapons, also known as killer robots, like from the movie Terminator, are a major concern for many experts and activists. These weapons would be able to make decisions and take actions on their own without human oversight. raising the risk of unintended consequences and violations of international law. Another concern is the possibility of AI systems becoming too powerful and surpassing human control. This is known as the control problem, and it's a major area of research within the AI community. Some experts believe that it's possible to develop AI systems that are friendly and aligned with human values, while others believe that it's impossible to guarantee that AI will always remain under human control as they continue to evolve. We certainly don't have all the answers today, and the battle between AI and humans is a complex and multifaceted issue that will have profound implications for our society and our future. While AI technology has already surpassed human performance in some areas, humans still have unique skills and abilities that cannot be replicated by AI. However, as AI technology continues to advance, it's likely that it will become more powerful and sophisticated, raising concerns about job displacement, bias, and the control problem. To ensure that AI technology is used responsibly and safely, it's important to develop ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks that can guide its development and use. This will require collaboration between governments, researchers, and industry leaders to ensure that AI is developed in a way that benefits society as a whole. Ultimately, the battle for supremacy between AI and humans may not have a clear winner. Instead, it's likely that we will see a future where humans and AI work together to achieve common goals and solve some of the biggest challenges facing humanity.